Welcome to JG Basic English.
Hi, Tom. It's nice to see you again.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I'm good, but I'm a little tired today.
Really? Why is that?
Well, I wake up very early every day.
Oh, really? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 5:30 a.m.
Wow, that's very early. I usually wake up at 8 a.m.
Yes, it's early, but I actually like mornings.
I see. I don't like mornings. I prefer to sleep more. So tell me more about your routine.
Sure. First, I brush my teeth and drink some water to wake up.
In my case, the first thing I do is check my phone and my emails.
Then, at 6 a.m., I go to the gym.
Definitely not for me. I never go to the gym in the morning.
I usually exercise for about 1 hour. And after the gym, I go back home and take a shower.
By that time, I'm already at home. I take a shower and then have coffee. My shower is very fast because I'm usually late.
I understand. So, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and drink coffee. And you?
I usually eat fruit and eggs.
That's very healthy.
Yes, it is. After a while, it becomes a habit. After breakfast, I leave for work at 8 a.m.
I go to work later at 9:30 a.m.
Every day, I drive my car to work.
I go by metro.
Interesting. Do you like the metro?
It's okay, but it's usually very crowded.
My drive is long. It takes about 40 minutes.
My metro ride is shorter, around 20 minutes.
I start work at 9 a.m. Usually I answer emails and have meetings.
I start at 10 a.m. I work on the computer and talk to clients.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do, but sometimes it's stressful.
I understand. My job is stressful too.
What time do you have lunch?
I usually have lunch at 12 p.m.
I have lunch at 1:30 p.m. What do you like to eat?
I usually eat salad and chicken.
I eat a sandwich or fast food.
Do you eat vegetables?
Not as much as I should. I know it's bad.
Well, pizza is good sometimes.
Yes, I love pizza, especially with cheese.
In the afternoon, I drink a cup of coffee to stay focused.
I usually drink tea in the afternoon during my calls.
After lunch, I work again until 5 p.m.
I finish my workday at 7 p.m.
That's pretty late.
Yes, so what do you do after work?
I go home and study English.
That's great. I study English too.
Oh, really? When do you study?
I study at night after dinner.
How long do you study?
About 30 minutes.
I usually study for about 1 hour. And what do you eat for dinner?
I usually eat pizza or pasta.
I eat soup or rice with vegetables.
Your routine is very healthy.
And your routine is very busy.
Yes, and because of that, I sleep late.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at midnight.
Wow, that's very late. I sleep at 10 p.m.
It was really nice talking to you, but I need to go home.
Yes, it was very nice.
Let's talk again soon.
Sure. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.